Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making edible, flexible lace for your cakes and cookies. For this recipe we will need cream Chantiflex, CMC powder, glucose syrup and food coloring.
Into 100 grams of warm Chantiflex, place in 1/8 teaspoon of CMC powder, 1/8 teaspoon of white food coloring, and 1 teaspoon of glucose syrup, which you can heat up a bit, but as our cream is warm, the glucose will dissolve fine.
The recipe for the cream Chantiflex can be found on our channel, and the link to it will be under the video. You can replace the glucose syrup for corn syrup. You can find CMC powder on Amazon. The link to it will be under the video too.
When the cream has been mixed well, place it on a silicone mat with a thick layer. Then even it with a putty knife and check that all the holes have been filled. Then clean the excess off.
You can paint the lace with any kind of food coloring when you are missing the mess. Or you can paint finished lace with edible dust diluted with vodka.
Dry the lace in the oven at 40 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour. After 40 minutes, open the oven and try to separate the lace from the mat. If it separates easily, then take it off and let it cool at the table on room temperature. You can see in the video what method we use to take off the lace.
This lace can be stored for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. If you package it in plastic wrap and put it into a plastic box, you can store it for 2 weeks at room temperature or for 2 months in the refrigerator.
This lace is the best that we found for storage, taste, and structure that we have tried.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.